Back on Eyewitness News with snow falling this morning in Perkiomen Township.
This is not the nor'easter we're tracking, but it's giving us a taste of winter weather to come. Meteorologist Llarisa Abreu is always watching and always tracking.
She sure is, Llarisa. So when will we see the snow that's actually part of the major storm that's coming?
Yeah, that's heading our way tonight. But what beautiful pictures. Definitely beautiful snowflakes falling right now in what we call mood flakes, because the actual nor'easter is still well to our south and is developing and will rapidly intensify as it moves north and east and eventually closer to our region. Out ahead of it, you can take a look. We have winter storm alerts that pretty much blanket a third of the eastern seaboard. They extend as far south as North Carolina and as far north as Bangor, Maine. Take a look at our neck of the woods. We do have a blizzard warning for the Jersey Shore points out towards Delaware, and that's denoted by the red that you see. The pink, a winter storm warning, and the purple or the blue is a winter weather advisory. But of course, all eyes remain on the Jersey Shore because this is the part of our area that's going to get hit the worst by this. They're under that blizzard warning, which simply means 3 or more hours of wind gusts of up to 35 miles an hour or higher, falling, blowing snow, and of course that reducing visibility to up to a quarter of a mile in some spots. We have a timeline for you. So right now what you're seeing is an Arctic cold front that's draped over the region, generating the little bit of snow. But by tonight, this is that nor'easter lifting north and generating heavy snow. By 9 p.m. we're talking along the shore, that intensity will begin to pick up. By 1 a.m., complete whiteout. 5 a.m., still a whiteout. By 9 a.m. in the morning, this is now Saturday, we're tracking heavy snow, whipping winds, and that'll still be the case even by lunchtime tomorrow. So we're talking a prolonged time of snow falling, of winds whipping, and that's the Jersey Shore. If you're closer to Philadelphia, snow will begin to fill in as early as 9 p.m. here as well. It'll start becoming a bit more steady as we reach that 1 a.m. hour. By 5 a.m. we're talking heavy snow out there. By 9 it's snowing, it's also windy, and by noon the snow begins to taper off. You may be asking, when will it wrap? 3 o'clock is what we're thinking for the Jersey Shore. This is how much we anticipate to pick up, anywhere between 12 to 15 inches plus along the shore. So we could see locally higher amounts. And of course, a blizzard not only means snow, it means those whipping winds. So it will be hard to see. You definitely don't want to be on the roads while this stuff is coming down. The further inland you go, pretty impressive here as well. 8 to 12 inches expected. And then as we head towards the I-95 corridor, a solid 4 to 8 inches. Meanwhile, up towards the Lehigh Valley Poconos region, this is where we are anticipating up to 2 inches. So there will be a sharp cutoff on the western edge of this storm, and that looks to fall along the Lehigh Valley and points north and west of the I-95 corridor. Another element are these strong winds. We're tracking the threat for down branches, possible outages, and of course blowing and drifting snow as winds can gust as high as 50 miles an hour along the shore, closer to 40 miles an hour further inland. So just unsettled weather. After the storm, you still have to please be careful out there as winds will remain strong all day Saturday. Sub-zero wind chills as we approach Saturday night. That could be especially dangerous, especially if you lose power.
All right, Llarisa, thank you. Good advice there.